I love it. This is what you live for as an actor. You live for their love. You live for them to love your work and to hear their cheers and screams. That's what makes you feel alive and feel fulfilled.
Definitely.
ह्यूज फैन फॉलोइंग के बारे में साक्षी में बात करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे लगता है मन अभी भरा नहीं है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी मेरी टीम से, डिम द लाइट्स, और उसके बाद एक बार फिर से हम क्यों ना ये आपका टीजर देखें, क्योंकि जिस अंदाज में अब आप सामने आ रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है एक्सपेक्टेशंस इतनी ज्यादा हाई हो चुकी है. एक बार फिर से विजय का ये नया अंदाज दिखाएं. मेरे पास है, वो सामने रखूंगी, लेकिन अब किंगडम के इस अंदाज से एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपको लगता नहीं है कि और ज्यादा हाई हो गई हैं?
ज़रूर लगता है, पर काम है कि वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस को मीट करना, एंड शायद करेंगे May 30th को.
You will definitely do it. You got me goosebumps through that teaser. So we are rest assured because we know that South is dominating now. And let me also speak about how you are not only a pan-Indian celebrity, you are a global icon. How do you sort of accommodate with that pressure? How do you keep yourself grounded?
I know that Indians around the world now know about me. Maybe 5-6 years ago, I was nobody. Nobody knew my name or who I was, and now you're recognized and loved by people who have seen your work or seen you, and it's a feeling of immense satisfaction sometimes, and it's overwhelming sometimes. But I'm blessed. I'm blessed because I get to do what I love more than anything. This is what I wanted to do, and to be able to do it is a blessing, and to be able to receive this love is a blessing. I think I've earned more love than I've done work for. I think I've received way more love than probably my work deserves so far. But it's just a connection I have with my people, and it's a relationship that we have, and I will always be grateful for it and hope to entertain them and give them memories as we grow together.
अब आपने रिकॉग्निशन की बात की, आपने कनेक्शन की बात की, इसीलिए आज हम आपसे इस खास बातचीत में कुछ इनसाइट जानना चाहते हैं. कुछ खास तस्वीरें भी हैं हमारे पास, और हम तो बहुत इंक्विजिटिव हो जाते हैं जब हमारे को मौका मिलता है आपसे बात करते हुए, ये समझने का कि लोगों की इन एक्सपेक्टेशंस को देखते हुए आप किस विजन के साथ आगे काम कर रहे हैं. कुछ खास तस्वीरें मैं चाहूंगी सबसे पहले दिखाना, और उन तस्वीरों को आप कैसे परसीव करते हैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के तौर पर, और कैसे ये संभव हो पाया, यही मेरा अगला सवाल होगा. कुछ खास तस्वीरें जरा यहां मैं दिखाना चाहूंगी, प्लीज प्ले करिए. ये देखिए तस्वीरें, द पावर हाउस. ये बहुत खास मूवमेंट्स हैं आपके, इनको जरा बयां करिए, क्या हो रहा है ये सब कुछ, क्योंकि इस टीजर के साथ साथ जिस तरीके से सुपरस्टार्स का ये कोलैबोरेशन नजर आ रहा है, ये भी क्या बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है विजय?
It actually happened very easily. Everything, जब हमने ये टीज़र कट किया था, it was 4-5 महीने पहले ही टीज़र रेडी था. And when we cut the teaser and when we wrote the voiceover, we already knew that we wanted Tarak Khanna's voice for it. There was nobody else's voice we thought would do justice for this particular teaser. Straight away we knew we wanted his voice. And we went and asked him, and he sat with me for some time, spoke to me casually, and he said, "Let's do it this evening." And I said, the director was in Chennai working on the music of the teaser. I was like, the director is not there. I would like him to be there with you. He was like, you come off. We both will sit and do it. I was like, me, I don't want to be there. He was like, no, come, just chill. If you're free, come. So I went. He said, come at 6 o'clock. I thought I'll go a little late so that he's done with it. But by the time I went, he was just warming up, and he made me sit in the dubbing room. And he was so excited, and he would do it with such energy and passion, and he would want to do one more take and one more take and one more take, till I had to tell him, Anna, enough. It's like really good. I think we have it. We don't need to do more. And he was so excited that it was so good, and that his voice added to the teaser. And this is the probably I've met him once socially, but the first time I had asked something of him and he did it, and uh, I feel I feel special and I feel loved and I feel love towards him for stepping in for me to do this for my teaser. And the same way, RK and Suryanna are two of my favorite actors. They are actors that I've looked up to growing up. Like I would watch their cinema and wonder and love their acting, admire their acting, and wondered if I could do what they did. I remember texting RK, just saying RK, and he knew about the teaser because somebody who is mutual, Sandeep Wanga, had told him that there's this Vijay's teaser and I think they want you for the voiceover. And I just texted RK and he was like, of course I'm doing a teaser, man. And I was like, I didn't even ask yet. Let me tell you what it is and stuff. He was like, yeah, we'll do it. When do you want it done? Then I was like, wait, let me call you. Then I called him and said, this is the teaser. This is the vibe of the film. There's this voiceover. Is this length? I was like, yeah, send it to me. We'll do it. So even before I asked him, he just said, yes, I wasn't there while he was doing it. He was doing it in Bombay. But I love his voiceover. And the same with Suryanna. I just called him. Once RK and Tarakanna were doing it, I knew we wanted a strong voice from Tamil, and Suryanna is an actor that I love. So I just rang him and said, Anna, I know when I ask you, it's hard for you to say no. I know they don't want to say no. So I was like, please say no. Completely okay, because it's an obligation I'm asking you. There's this voiceover, I want you to do it. He was like, okay, let's do it. So it happened too easily almost, and they added so much weight to the teaser of the film. So these are memories from the teaser, and when I go to Chennai and when I go to Mumbai, I need to sit down with these men who did this for me and spend some time and thank them again.
And since we are talking about voiceover, since we are talking about biggest of the big celebrities giving their voices for this particular version, how can we not have you also say the particular dialogue, because it gives us chills?
The dialogue from the film,
Yes.
we'll do it in Hindi.
Yes. Amazing.
कुछ भी करूंगा सर, जरूरत पड़ी तो सब कुछ चला कर रख दूंगा.
Oh, Vijay Deverakonda, ladies and gentlemen. And also, I'm really curious to ask you, because this particular thing came in as a bomb for us. It was a surprise for us. We did not hear much of the noise of you. Yeah, there were rumors about VD12, but then Kingdom all of a sudden was announced. And nowadays we know how films are actually promoted. What are your thoughts about that? Why did you hide it with us?
We were working. We never, our first intention, me and Gautam, was to make a good film. We weren't thinking about promoting. I really wanted to make the film and enjoy the process of the film. So we were working, and then it was time to, people were getting really restless, and we were feeling the heat from fans and film audience saying, what the hell, put out something, what's happening and stuff. And we were still not feeling ready to put out anything. And then it was time, because we had to release May 30th. So we were like, okay, let's put out something. And then we got to it. We put out a poster or something saying that we'll announce the teaser, and we put it out, and it was received with so much love. It's good.
जो सरप्राइज आपने ऑडियंस को दिया है, ऑडियंस कैसे आपको सरप्राइज कर रही है, उसकी कुछ खास तस्वीरें मैं चाहूंगी आप दिखाएं, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का रिस्पांस इस टीजर के बाद भी सामने आ रहा है, उसको लेकर सवाल करने से पहले ये तस्वीरें एक बार प्ले करिए, वो खास तस्वीरें जो बाहर से अब सामने आई हैं. Can you see this? It's trending on number 1. Also, look at your look. I want to talk about. मैं आपकी फिटनेस के बारे में तो बात करना चाहती हूँ.
Eagerly waiting for 30th May. Already, people are waiting for it, and you gave us a surprise, and people are already waiting for it. Look at the tweets that are pouring in.
And look at these pictures. ये तस्वीरें जहाँ देखिए किस तरीके से आपकी मौजूदगी के बीच फैंस का ये हुजूम, देखिए फूल बरसाए जा रहे हैं. और ये सवाल विजय मैं उस लिहाज से भी करूंगी, जब आप इन तस्वीरों को खुद विटनेस करते हैं, साउथ के सिनेमा के जितने भी सुपरस्टार्स हैं, उनको जिस तरीके से ये प्यार मिलता है वो आप विटनेस करते आए हैं. और अब ये प्यार जिस तरीके से आपको मिल रहा है, जहां देखिए किस तरीके से क्रेन लगाकर फूल बरसाए जा रहे हैं और ऑडियंस की ये जो दीवानगी एक शब्द हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो बढ़ती ही जा रही है.
I wish I could explain this to you, पर मुझे ही समझ में नहीं आता है कि इतना प्यार और इतना passion, how they have this much passion and how they're always there. Even not all your films work. You have good films and bad films, but these guys are like, whenever your content is there and they love it, they're just. I think after a while they were really excited by something I did, so they just went all out, and it's hard to process and put it into words, their love.
That's really interesting, but I know you are being extremely modest over here, although you have touched upon that. You come from a very humble background, right? अगर मैं थोड़ा सा past में जाती हूँ, 2015-2016 के पहले तक ही you were one amongst those billions eyes watching dreams of becoming something. मेरे हिसाब से 2020 के आसपास was the time when your stars finally started shining. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the quickest for any celebrity or any superstar to say that now I have arrived. How did you achieve that? I really want to ask you. इतने कम समय में इतना बड़ा stardom, एक cult following for your name.
ये बहुत सारी चीज़ का mixture है. Lot of things have to align for things like this to happen. One is, definitely, I think there is some sort of bigger blessing, bigger purpose that it happens to you, because there are thousands of boys who are passionate and who are good, who are talented, but you're chosen for some reason, and there's a bigger purpose to it. Second thing is, whatever I do, I'm mad obsessed by it. I just put my head down and I'm an all-out kind of guy. Whatever I do, I go extremely all-out. And then so many other factors had to come into play, like brilliant directors who wanted to debut, decided to make their film with me, and we made some great cinema, which the audience connected to, and they connected to me in some way, and they started showing love. So a bunch of directors like Nagashwin, Tarun Bhaskar, Sandeep Reddy Vanga, all of them made their first films with me, and they've all gone on to become such huge directors. So they contributed a lot to where I am today. So it's dependent on, it's not you need to work really hard, but you need lots of people to come together to lift you up, give you wings to be sitting here in Delhi and talking to you all in What India Thinks Today conclave on TV9. So a lot of factors have to come into play.
बट मेरा सवाल उस लिहाज से है क्योंकि जहां हम साउथ सिनेमा की बात करते हैं तो वो प्यार हमें एक जैसा नजर आता है, चाहे कोयम्बटूर हो या चंडीगढ़. फैन फॉलोइंग वैसी ही है, कंटेंट ड्रिवन सब्जेक्ट्स को उतना ही सराहा जा रहा है. ये सवाल मैं उस आधार से भी आपसे करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि एक दौर था जब हम देखते थे सत्यजीत रे बंगाल किस तरीके से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पर पूरी तरीके से डोमिनेट कर रहा था, उसका दबदबा बोल रहा था. फिर कुछ डिकेड्स तक हमने देखा बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री ने, हिंदी सिनेमा ने उस तरीके से डोमिनेट किया. आज आप मानते हैं कि साउथ सिनेमा ट्रेंड सेटर बन चुके हैं?
We are definitely having a dream run of sorts, where it's a beautiful period for South cinema. And it's a cycle. There was a time where you knew nothing about us. There was a time where all of us, Hindi cinema was doing huge. Good cinema or bad cinema, putting that aside, Hindi cinema was making solid noise and solid money, and Hindi cinema had opened up diaspora audience, international audience to watch us. So that period was there. Everything in life is a cycle. So I think now is the cycle where South cinema is the one that's being celebrated and loved and people want to watch. And 5 years later, 10 years later, or 15 years later, there'll be some other change. It's going to move on to something else. The audience are going to adapt. Maybe it's going to just become Indian cinema. I don't know what's going to happen with. It will change, but now we are having a good time, and I'm very happy to be a part of it and hope to contribute to it.
Absolutely, Vijay. I agree with what you have said. I also believe that COVID actually was a really very bad period for the entertainment industry. Nowadays, we see that people have finally started coming out of their comfortable zones. They are now filling theaters, but it's specifically more, I think, more appropriate for the South Indian films. Why do you think that has been made possible that now theaters are again being filled? People are coming out to watch it. But why specifically South Indian film? What do you think? What is that one thing about that that people love to watch?
We were making cinema that was different from what Hindi cinema was doing in the recent past. So I guess once they had enough of it, now they want to watch something different. And from this vacuum, surely that I get asked this question a lot about Hindi cinema, South cinema and stuff. But from this vacuum, a new breed of filmmakers will form who want to fix this, who want to make the next big film. And Hindi cinema is going to find its big directors and new storytellers very soon. It'll probably be from outside Bombay, is my prediction. They'll probably come from your Midland, Heartland, Marathi. So it'll start coming from other sections of Hindi-speaking areas who will come up and start making films in a very different way. That maybe it's very different from even what South is doing right now, we don't know. But it'll change. And definitely, I think, for sure, the world is becoming small. It's become really small. Imagine today, we have people who love, what is it, Korean boy band, K-drama, and that some Korean BTS. Yeah. So if in India somewhere people love BTS, why won't in the North they love South cinema? And why won't in the South people have favorite stars from the North? And eventually with technology and OTT and digital platforms, it's all becoming one. Like you sit in Bombay, you watch Malayalam film, you watch Hindi film, you watch Telugu film. It's eventually this habit is going to become Indian film. So you'll see directors collaborating with actors from everywhere. You'll see actors collaborating. If Ranbir did a voiceover for me, it's a collaboration. This wouldn't have happened 5 years ago. So eventually, I think you'll see stars, directors, production houses just collaborating across to serve the Indian audience. I think that is there in the immediate future. That's like the next 2 to 5 years that's going to happen in a big way. I think that's a change that will happen.
विजय, मुझे ऐसा लगता है उसमें इंडियन ऑडियंस का जो प्यार थिएटर्स पर नजर आता है वो सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है जो ग्लोबली विटनेस किया जाता है कि किस तरीके से लोगों का एक कनेक्ट बन जाता है अपने स्टार्स के साथ. आप मानते हैं लैंग्वेज की, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर बात कर रहे हैं तो उसमें ओटीटी का रोल भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नो डाउट आपने कोविड की बात करी, अभी भी थिएटर्स पर लोगों का वो क्रेज है, लेकिन लैंग्वेज बैरियर की जहाँ तक हम बात करते हैं उसमें ओटीटी का रोल बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो चुका है और वो एक कनेक्शन बन चुका है. आपने कहा कि दुनिया छोटी है, मुझे लगता है इसी छोटी दुनिया में सब इसी प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए कनेक्ट हो पाए हैं.
For sure. OTT, social media has played a big role. You're sitting in Bombay and you know what your favorite actor in any part of the world, how he's living, who are his pets, what does he wear, what is his personal life, his speculations. We know so much that the distance between Bombay and Hyderabad or Bombay and Chennai is gone. Now I'm literally in everyone's hands in a way. I'm at your fingertips. You can see me when you want. You can Google him whenever you want. So it removes the distance, which means that you feel more connected in a way. These are the positive sides of what internet has done, which has made the world smaller and which is why you get accepted across regions even more because they don't feel that distance with you. They feel like you're one, that they know you and that you're their star in a way.
और आपने क्योंकि मिक्सचर की बात की विजय, और वी ऑलरेडी सॉ रणबीर कपूर ऑल्सो गेव वॉइस टू वन ऑफ द वर्जन्स ऑफ द टीजर. अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँ कि क्या आपको लगता है कि जो ये मिक्सचर हो रहा है, जो पैन इंडियन फिल्म्स बन रही है, ये एक तरीके से बॉलीवुड के लिए जड़ी बूटी हो सकती है टू पॉन्डर अपॉन एलेक्सा Can I say that? That medicine or elixir for Bollywood, because now they have to. Yeah, for Bollywood. For them to ponder on what to do next.
उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं करने का.
नहीं, लेकिन आप मानते हैं मजबूर कर दिया है इस कंटेंट ड्रिवन प्रोजेक्ट्स ने कि शायद हिंदी सिनेमा को भी अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज में बदलाव करने पड़ रहे हैं?
As in, see, we had to fight our way for, Telugu cinema had to fight their way for bigger audience. Like when Rajamouli sir did Bahubali and they spent that money on two actors that maybe the Hindi industry then didn't know. And they went through that effort to make such a big film. If it didn't work, it would have probably ended so many careers, or the producers would be in a lot of trouble. The actors gave literally like 5 years not doing anything else but to that film. So the stakes for everyone involved, from the people who put money to the director to actors, was so much. And they came and they promoted it and it opened venues. And then everyone's working. You need to fight for your place. You need to fight for attention. You need to fight for love. And I think that's what will happen. Everybody they will find their ways. It's part of life in a way.
तो क्या आपको लगता है विजय कि साउथ इंडियन फिल्मों की जो सक्सेस है आज की डेट में, एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ हिंदी क्रिटिक्स हैव आल्सो अग्रीड टू इट, इज बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑथेंटिसिटी, बिकॉज ऑफ टचिंग अपॉन द ग्राउंड रियलिटी, द रूट कॉजेज ऑफ थिंग्स. Do you think that is the reason why South Indian films are not only are being accepted or embraced pan-India, but also globally? Because people want to see more of India through your films.
I don't know exactly why our films are working in a big way. I'm happy that they are. And yeah, I'm happy that they are.
But the content that you portray with the technology, the use of technology, I think you have made an experiment and use AI as well this time.
Recently, I was feeling that, I don't know how it happened. We have a bunch of really talented directors. Like I can pick from, it's hard for me to pick because there are 6 good directors with 6 great scripts, and I can do only 1 film a year max. So that's something that's happened, which is contributing greatly to the success of our films and to the quality of our films, number one. And your question was on technology. Technology is going to change a lot of things. AI, we made that song using, for the teaser's soundtrack, we released it separately because Ani's soundtracks, Aniruddha, music director, his soundtracks, people wait for them. So I was like, when we release it, let's do it nicely. Let's not just put the audio track out. So we found like really talented boys called Astram Studios who do AI, and we asked them to use our teaser and just use those visuals and convert them into an AI sort of storytelling. And they did a brilliant job and people loved it. But yeah, AI is going to change. Forget entertainment. I think it's going to change all our lives in a big way. I don't know, good or bad, but in a lot of ways it's going to change.
ट्रू दैट. और जिस तरीके से ग्लोबल रिप्रेजेंटेशन साउथ सिनेमा का बढ़ चुका है, और मैं आपको बता दूं इस वक्त हमारे साथ एक खास मेहमान भी हैं. हमारे साथ मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया रिया हैं. और रिया, मैं चाहूंगी 1 मिनट के लिए आप हमें मंच पर ज्वाइन करें, क्योंकि रिया के साथ भी मेरी विजय यकीन मानिए इस बारे में चर्चा हो रही थी कि जब वो ग्लोबली या इंटरनेशनली लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट करती हैं तो चर्चा इस बात की भी होती है कि किस तरीके से इंडियन सिनेमा शाइन कर रहा है. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि बस कुछ पल के लिए रिया आप हमारे साथ मंच पर हमें ज्वाइन करें. एंड इट्स प्लेजर टू हैव यू. एंड वेल, आई वांट टू गिव द माइक टू यू, बिकॉज मैं जानती हूँ कि हम इस बारे में चर्चा कर रहे थे कि किस तरीके से साउथ के सुपरस्टार्स का ये ग्लोबल रिकॉग्निशन ही भारत के विकास की एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन बन चुका है.
Absolutely, there's no doubt about that. And आपने कितना incredible काम किया है. I'm just flabbergasted, let's just say that. It's beautiful आपने जो भी art form किया है. मेरे से आपको थोड़े सवाल है. Can I ask you?
For sure.
Wonderful. विजय जी, आपका इतना बड़ा विजय हुआ है इन द साउथ इंडस्ट्री, नॉट जस्ट साउथ लाइक शी सेड, ग्लोबली. तो how do you feel? How does it make you feel inside? Does it make you feel overwhelmed? Or do you feel genuinely happy because that is what you were seeking?
You feel relief more than anything. Yeah. When you win the crown, you must feel really happy because dopamine is like hitting you. But for us, it's like by now, yeah, it's relief. You've worked for 1 year and your film people enjoy, it's relief, and then you move on to the next story because you want to tell another story. It's mostly relief. I get my happiness from life. I get my happiness when I'm on set, I'm really happy. When I'm with my family, when I'm with my friends, that's where when I'm spending my money, that's when I'm happy.
That's beautiful. एक और सवाल है मुझे आपसे. You know, I saw आपके जो भी photos and videos थे previously, and you know, it made me realize कि that is the real example of making somebody a god, किसी को भगवान बनाना. और एक saying है कि कोई भगवान को नहीं पूछता कि उनको भगवान होना है कि नहीं, if you've heard it. तो मुझे ये जानना है कि is the art that you perform on screen the reason why you are an actor, or is it because of the fame that you're running after?
Right now, it is my love for. I've loved telling stories. It's my love for storytelling and money. I need to get paid. Like the world revolves around money, so it's these two things. So I get to do what I love and make money. So it's these two things. But they're my boys. I feel like they're my boys and girls. I don't feel like a god to them. I know that's how they show their love. But when they're with me, there is no. They're just like Anna this, Anna that, Anna this, Anna. So they're full chill. They don't take me too seriously.
You know, I'll tell you one thing. I love your honesty. It is beautiful. Thank you. It was very refreshing speaking with you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You look
Thank you so
beautiful,
much, Ray.
but then you're Miss Universe, so I think it's mandatory.
थैंक यू सो
Pleasure.
मच.
So
मुझे
much,
लगता है कि
Priya.
मौका है उसी प्यार को तालियों के जरिए जाहिर करने का, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से इस खास मंच पर विजय आज अपने दिल की बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है अभी ये बातचीत जारी रखनी है हमें. साक्षी,
और काफी धूम मचाते हुए, because I have spotted a very famous face there in the crowd and I can't stop myself from inviting her on stage. Very beautiful, Yami Gautam, ladies and gentlemen. Yami, can we please have you on stage? Looking very gorgeous. And I think we accidentally matched the color tone also here.
You know, Yami was the heroine of the first film I
was
ever
coming to
played
that
in.
trivia.
I was.
so good to have you. Thank you so much.
Yami.
That's a massive trivia. I think that's a massive one. Hi, good evening everyone. Namaskar to TV9 और आपके सभी दर्शकों को. और बहुत बहुत बधाई. इतने बड़े मंच पर इतनी धूम तो आपने मचाई है और इससे बेहतरीन शुरुआत नहीं हो सकती थी with the honorable prime minister and to have met all the delegates, and of course I happen to share the stage now with one of my first co-actors, if I can say, Vijay. You know, I've got so many वो क्या बोलते हैं fan clubs tagging our scene, और मैंने कहा ये तो विजय, that's Arjun Reddy, and that's how I got to know. I said I know him, and I suddenly became a overnight sensation, if I may use the word. I was so happy for him. Anyone जिन्होंने भी अपनी शुरुआत एक मेहनत से, credible तरीके से, step by step, मुझे लगता है कि हो मेहनत तो I think सभी करते हैं, पर थोड़ी वैल्यू कदर आपको थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा होती है. So big congratulations to you, Vijay, and I'm sure you hold a very special place when it comes to the future of our Indian cinema.
And because both of you have been co-actors in the past, you said.
Do not
तो
ask us to
कुछ-
dance. Do not ask
नहीं,
us to
not at all.
recreate that scene. You don't want to see that scene.
No, तो क्या आप हमें कुछ ऐसा इंस्टेंस बता सकते हैं सेट से जो यहाँ पे ऑडियंस भी काफी क्यूरियस होगी जानने के लिए? एनीथिंग फनी दैट माइट हैव हैपेंड ऑन द सेट्स यू वुड वांट टू शेयर? एनी मेमोरी?
Nothing was funny. It was stressful as hell, that film.
यामी, हम आज मंच पर नॉर्थ और साउथ की फिल्मों के कंटेंट को लेकर बात कर रहे हैं. तो आपकी ये जो शुरुआत कह लीजिए, या आप दोनों की पहली मुलाकात और आज जो आपकी मुलाकात हो रही है, उसमें कंटेंट का दायरा जिस तरीके से बढ़ गया है, हम जानते हैं ऑडियंस का कनेक्शन आप लोगों के साथ उतना ज़्यादा जुड़ गया है, और आप ये मानते हैं, तभी मेरे लिए आज बहुत अच्छा मौका है जहां मैं साउथ सुपरस्टार के साथ साथ हिंदी सिनेमा के सुपरस्टार के साथ एक साथ बात कर रही हूँ।
आप आंसर करेगी पहले?
ऑफ कोर्स देखिए, हम जैसे मैंने कहा नॉर्थ है, साउथ है, अपना बंगाली सिनेमा है, पंजाबी है, गुजराती है, मलयालम, कन्नड़ा, तेलुगु, तमिल। दैट्स द ब्यूटी नो ऑफ इंडिया। हर 10 किलोमीटर में भाषा बदलती है, पर दिल वही है, ज़ुबान वही है, वो है प्यार। और हमारा काम है एंटरटेनमेंट। हम बिजनेस से हैं जहाँ पर हमारा काम है टू एंटरटेन द ऑडियंस, टू एंगेज द ऑडियंस। कभी आप हमें इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, कभी हम आपको करें। हम तो ऐसे कोशिश ही कर सकते हैं, एंड वी आर वन, वी आर ऑल वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स। जैसे अगर आप आज सुपर पावर की बात कर रहे हैं, हम भारत कहाँ पहुँच चुका है, किस नज़रिए से हमें पूरा वर्ल्ड, पूरी दुनिया देखती है, उसमें अगर सिनेमा का कहीं अगर हाथ है और अगर कहीं योगदान है, हमें साथ में चलना पड़ेगा। देयर इज़ नो साउथ एंड नॉर्थ और एनीथिंग देयर। फॉर मी कंटेंट जो फिल्म देख रहा है सक्सेस दर्शाता है, चाहे कांतारा जैसी फिल्म हो या कोई भी हो। भाषा, आई डोंट थिंक लैंग्वेज हैज़ एनी बैरियर्स। तो कंटेंट कहीं से भी आए, आइडिया कहीं से भी आए, वो प्योरिटी होनी चाहिए और कुछ ओरिजिनलिटी होनी चाहिए, और साथ में मिलके हाथ पकड़ के चलते हैं ना, टू कॉन्कर।
सोच की आपने बात करी है, उसी के तहत व्हाट इंडिया थिंक्स टुडे, उसी पर हम चर्चा भी आगे इसी तरह जारी रखेंगे। आपने हमें ज्वाइन किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। Meanwhile,
And
can I
ladies
please
and-
request
Yeah.
TV9 Network MD Barun sir to please join us. Thank you so much, Yami.
Thank you,
so
Yami,
much.
for joining us here on stage. Can we have the shawl, please?
Sure, sir. Also, may I please request, can we have the shawl, please?
Yes, it's coming here.
Yes, sir. That's okay, sir. Let's keep it.
Thank you all. Love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Immediately started, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vijay. Thank you so much, Yami, for joining us here on stage.